Alright, what's up YouTube? Joe Santi back with another video. And today I'm working on my M92 PAP Zastava build. And it's gonna be a pistol build. I'm gonna put a SB Tactical arm brace. We'll go over the parts that I'm gonna use. First, it's the Tango down battle grip model BG AK for the AK platform. This is just like the US palm grip that's no longer produced. And have the SBA4 pistol brace. Also a CNC Warrior Folding Hinge with a buffer tube adapter for the M4 style buffer tube or receiver extension. Have two mags. Have the Krinkov booster and two other magazines, Pro Mags, 30 rounders. Have a safety. This is from a Carolina Shooter Supply. It looks just like the Krebs Custom, so I'm not sure how that is. Extended charging handle. Put that on this. And first I'm gonna put this hinge so I can adapt the receiver extension and the pistol brace. So I installed the CNC Warrior Folding Hinge with the AR buffer tube or receiver extension adapter, and with the SBA3 or excuse me SBA4. We also installed the Tango down grip. I installed an extended charging handle. I put this on, but it's not installed well yet. So I went another route. I was gonna go with a Zenith rail, quad rail, B30 and B31 upper, and I just went on a different route because there's so much fitting involved. I just gave up, and I got this SLR Rifleworks M-lok rail and the gas tube that goes with it. So I'm gonna cut the retaining plate, handguard retaining plate, and install this one because it won't fit with that on there. Also, I'm gonna install this, the ALG AK trigger, the lightning bow, and I'll be back with the updates. See you later.